So first you want to start off by tracing your template onto the foam. And you can just find this template just by searching up Harry Potter Love Potion onto Google. And you also want to mark out where the lid is and also the bottom part. So next we want to start cutting this out. So here is what the shape looks like so far, and you just want to trim it so it looks the same on both sides. So now we can start rounding off the shape. So you can just use an image of the love potion for help. So what you want to do is you want to make the lid like a lot smaller. I'll just show you here. So basically you just want to cut it so it's not too thick. And you just want to round that off like this. So I'm just going to finish that, then I'll show you what to do next. So here's what the lid looks like. And I think it turned out really good. So now you want to start rounding off the middle and the bottom part. So you just want to just make really small cuts like this. And you want to cut off the pen line that you drew here. And you also want to start rounding this off into a circle. So you just want to continue doing this until you are happy with the shape. So I'm just going to finish that. So here is what the final shape looks like. And I'm really happy with it. And I ended up cutting a little bit too much around the lid, so I had to glue it back on. So now we can start painting it. So next what I did was I painted the bottle a light pink colour, and for that I just mixed this fluorescent pink colour and some white paint together. And you want to use a darker pink for the top and the bottom. So now let's move on to the next step. So next what I did was I painted on the design on the front of the bottle, and I just used this image here as reference. And the gold paint that I was using was a little bit too light, so I ended up mixing it with a little bit of brown and copper. Yeah, I know it doesn't look exactly like it, but I tried my best. And you also want to paint a line all the way around the top part of the bottle using your gold puffy paint. So now you just want to let this all dry, and then we can move on to the final step. So now this last part is optional, but you can choose to add a tassel around the top part of the bottle, and I just made this one here just using string, and I had to paint it pink because I didn't have enough pink string. But this is pretty simple to make. I will try to link a video below showing you how you can make it. It's really quick and quite simple to do. And then you just want to put it around the top part of the bottle, and you can choose to glue it on, or you can just tie it around like this. So I'm just going to do that. So here is what the final squishy looks like, and as you can see I tied on the tassel around the lid. And I think this turned out pretty good, and it's actually quite slow rising. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and as always please feel free to request any more squishy tutorials you would like me to do in the comments below, and also please go and check out my playlist to see all the other videos that I've done in this series. I will link that in the description below. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.